Facts about parrots you never knew about. Parrots can live for over 60 years, depending on the species. The bigger the parrot, the longer its lifespan. Pet parrots usually live longer than wild ones because they face fewer threats from predators and diseases. Parrots mate for life and stay. They court each other by dancing, making sounds and expressions, and grooming each other. Parrots have strong and curved beaks that can crack even the toughest nuts and seeds. Parrots taste with the tops of their beaks, which have clusters of nerve endings called corpuscles.